I recommend it for everyone. I feel like eyebrows make such a big difference in people's faces. So anyone I see, I'm like, do you want eyebrows? Do you want eyebrows? Before and then after.
Wow. With theory. There.
Are you happy?
Edit mo lang yung eyes na.
Sige.
Very, very happy.
Very happy. Nice. As long as you're happy.
I owe Kimiko the transformation and tita.
Hello, I'm Kimiko. I am born and raised in Los Angeles, California, and I recently moved here to Pampanga officially to offer my services here. Cosmetic tattoo is, a lot of people don't know what it is. They just hear tattoo and they think, body tattoo. Cosmetic tattoo is permanent makeup. Eyebrows, eyeliner, lips. My very first training I took in Hawaii. I flew there from Los Angeles. I wanted to train with a specific artist who is one of the top artists in Hawaii. Trained with her, flew back to Los Angeles, started working somewhere called Oxnard, California. I had my own little studio, and so I started doing brows, powder brows, and then I moved into doing lip blush, and then I continued to eyeliner, and I worked in LA for about 2 years before coming to the Bldg. And as soon as I started the process, I fell in love with it, the process, the way my clients react when they see their new brows. I've had clients cry tears of happiness because they just feel more beautiful in a way that they haven't felt before.
Hi, this is Mickey Bradshaw Volante, and Kimiko did my brows over a year ago. And as you can see, they're still popping, still fresh, and it cuts my makeup time in half. And I have to say that Kimiko had the lightest touch. I felt no pain. Healing time was quick and easy. And really, I have no regrets ever since I got my brows done. And I've had my brows done in the past, but this was more to my liking. So I highly, highly recommend it.
When I dropped out of college, I went back to the States, and my parents were like, well, what are you gonna do now? So that's how I kind of fell into it. It was just gonna be a temporary thing. I have a few younger clients, but most of them are titas. And I do always get messages after saying, thank you so much, I love my brows. I get messages from their daughters, which I love because I feel like daughters are the hardest critics of their moms, which I am on my mom. Yeah. So when I get videos from the daughters, I'm like, yes, I love hearing that you loved it. I had one specific client who had recently gone through a divorce, and she got her eyebrows done, and as soon as I showed her, she started crying because she was like, he's not gonna recognize me. Yeah, so that made me really happy. A lot of people confuse powder brows with microblading. Microblading is manual. They use, it's kind of 4 needles on the end of pen, and they manually cut your skin and put the strokes in, and they put the ink in. The problem with that is skin depth is very important when you're tattooing people or putting ink in people, and it's hard to control that with your hand. So a lot of the time that results in scar tissue. Powder brows, we use actual tattoo machines that are made to put ink in the skin. When I have clients, I don't want them just once and then I send them on the way and they have to go to someone else to correct their brows. I want them to keep coming back for years with their family members. I like to keep the integrity of the skin. The consultation, the process, everything happens at the actual appointment. So I'll answer a few questions online, but I like it when they come in because it's easier to talk to them and kind of explain to them. My prices are very generous. For eyebrows, I charge $13,000 for the first session. Then there's a 6-week touch-up and I charge $2,000 for that. And my annual touch-up is $4.5. In Manila, it would range from 25 to 40. When you come to me, it's as if you're going to the States and getting your eyebrows done. But it's here in Pampanga, the Philippines. So I offer 3 main services. The first one would be powder brows. That's my most popular one. I offer shadow eyeliner. I actually make it look like you have eyeshadow on. It can range from natural to makeup look. And then I offer lip blush, which is permanent lipstick, like I have on now. I offer a 3-day one-on-one training with me here in my studio for those of you who want to learn how to do cosmetic tattoo and start your own business and go make other women feel more beautiful. That's up to you. Please come check out my place. It's here in Ombre. If you just want to come in and hang out with me and let me know the good places to go, I'm all ears.
So that is Joyce after the service. How do you feel?
I feel really, really good. Ang ganda. Oh.
Recommended?
Yeah, highly recommended.
So ano bang nangyari sa'yo ngayon? What happened to you?
Ano nangyari sa transformation?
Transformation.
Yes. The word is transformation. Yeah. Wow. Kilay is life.